In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import categories in WooCommerce smoothly and efficiently. If you've got an ever-growing list of products, then organizing them into well-defined categories can make all the difference in how manageable your store is and how user-friendly it is for your customers. To get started, the first step is to install and activate a plugin called Product Import Export for WooCommerce. This is the basic version, ideal for most users just starting out. Simply head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Product Import Export for WooCommerce, and once it pops up, hit that Activate button. Once the plugin is up and running, you're ready to import your categories. Go ahead and navigate to the WebToffee Import-Export option. This is a dedicated space within WooCommerce where you'll handle all the import and export actions. Under that, select the Import tab. At this point, you're going to choose the post type you want to import. For today's task, that will be product categories. Now, let's discuss the import methods because you have a couple of options here. Firstly, there's the quick import. This is ideal if you're working with a file that was exported via this plugin previously. It makes the process fast, as the system already knows what to expect. The alternative is the advanced import, ideal for new imports. This method allows for mapping of data fields and lets you configure batch settings, giving you more control over the import process. Next up, it's time to upload your CSV file. Make sure this file is UTF-8 encoded to ensure that all data is imported correctly without any hitch. After uploading your file, you'll need to map your CSV columns to the corresponding fields in WooCommerce. These fields typically include the category name, slug, parent, description, and image URL, among others. Adequate mapping is crucial to ensure that each piece of information lands in its correct location on your website. Within the advanced options, you will encounter the opportunity to decide whether you want to update existing categories or skip duplicates. This step is particularly useful if you're not starting from scratch and have pre-existing categories. Choose wisely based on your needs. Updating allows for changes to already existing categories, while skipping duplicates prevents any unintended overwrites. Once everything is set, go ahead and click Import. Then, you'll need to be a bit patient as the process completes. Keep an eye on the import log during this stage. It's your best friend here because it will tell you if the import was successful or if there are any errors that need addressing. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your categories imported into WooCommerce with ease. This streamlined process not only saves you time, but also keeps your e-commerce store organized and ready for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes managing your online store a little easier.